are going to discuss about data type in Java. So basically there are two types of data defined in Java. First type is known as primitive data type, and the second one is defined as a non-primitive. So which one with the primitive data type? Primitive data type is known as the data type that fits the base architecture of the underlying computers like int, float, pointer. These are the basically defined architecture data types. So the definition is that fits the base architecture of the underlying computers. Example are here like int, float. And then what is the non-primitive data type? Non-primitive data type so non-primitive data types is a data type that's something such an array class which is not fitable in the base architecture of computers, which is called non-primitive type data, like you can say a string, array. Here the data type, this is the data type categories like the primitive and non-primitive. The non-primitive, which is not fitable into the computer architecture, that is a string and array. And the primitive data type, which is fitable into the computer architecture. So you can see here primitive data type is also categorized into two types. First is boolean. It also defines the booleans. Booleans is take one bit in computers, and in also categorize the second part is numerics. Numerics is also categorized in characters, that is char, and integral part. Integral part is also defined into the two categories like int and float type. Then int type is also defined the byte, short, int, long, and the float type is defined as a float and doubles. So we are going to see that the data type size and ranges. Data type byte, which is a part of primitive and numerics, then integral, and integer is defined as a byte. The byte takes one bit size, one bit equal to 1 byte equal to 8 bit, and the range is -1 to 8 to 1 to 7. And also we see here short takes 2 bytes, it means 16 bit, and here the range is -32,7682 plus 32,767. After that there is no need to remember like this type of data, only we have to remember like the size in bytes. So here is the size of int in 4 bytes, long in 8 bytes, float in also 4 bytes, double is 8 bytes, character in 2 bytes, and boolean is boolean value is defined as a 1 bit because it's only defined the true or false. which is specified in only one bit of any location of computer or hard disk memory, whatever we say, register.